Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file using the simplest method. First, open the ChatGPT website and go to the conversation you want to save. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, with the chat open on your screen, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard if you're using Windows. If you're on a Mac, press Command and P. This will open the print window. In the print window, look for the option that lets you choose a printer. Click on it and select Save as PDF from the list. You'll now see a preview of the PDF file. Make sure everything looks the way you want. You can scroll through the pages to check the content. Next, click the Save button. A window will pop up asking where you want to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer and give the file a name you'll remember. Then click Save again. That's it. Your ChatGPT conversation is now saved as a PDF. You can open it anytime, send it by email, or keep it for your records. This method works on any browser and you don't need to install anything extra. Thanks for watching.